In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Hexer in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to acquire the Hex class and become a Hexer, you have to go to a specific location. In order to find this specific location, go to the exit of town where you can see a little carriage. So, you will be able to walk around all of these spots here, and eventually, you will see a carriage just like this one. Once you see this carriage, it means that you are on the correct exit. So I'm gonna look around just so you can know the spot. You will be able to see this little house over here, and it is by the little potion shop. So once you see these two signs, keep going forward, you will see the carriage, and now you have to go forward onto this direction. So just follow my steps here. We will have to go to a specific location. You will need a specific level requirement and also a bunch of gold, so keep that in mind. If you are a newbie like me, you will have to do a lot of quests to get the gold and the levels necessary for you to become a hexer. So you will see all of these stone steps here, and you can talk to the NPCs on top of there to get a nice accessory, but if you keep going forward, you will find these ruins here. So just keep going forward until you see these ruins, and you will find this NPC sitting here. All that you have to do now is talk to him. Oh, hi there. Can you teach me anything? I can only teach magic, and you don't seem to know that right now. So, depending on what you currently have on your character, you will get specific dialogue. So, if you have the requirements that I'm going to show you on screen, they are going to offer you the option to become a hexer. So, you will need level 15 at least, and you will need 750 gold. As long as you acquire those requirements, you will be able to talk to the specific NPC, and they are going to offer you the option to become a hexer. Each ability is also going to cost 750 gold, and you will be able to acquire them from this NPC, so you can come here at any point to improve your magic abilities in Arcane Lineage. I apologize for not being able to show you how this process looks in full on screen, but because my character is a newbie, I won't be able to actually show it. Regardless, you can just go over here, and you will be able to acquire Magister Apprentice and then talk to the NPC to get new abilities. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Hexer in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.